Welcome. This is a tour of a 600 square foot, 2-bedroom apartment by Solar Home Factory. You enter into the great room with kitchen with full-size appliances, island, living room, entertainment center, small seating area, but still room for a full-size couch. Induction stove, stainless appliances, ducted range microwave. These are plywood with a veneer front cabinetry, European style, silestone countertops, stainless farm sink or large basin sink, upgraded faucet, 9-foot ceilings, recessed lighting, air source heat pump for heating and cooling with a circulation system that distributes the conditioned air into the bathrooms and bedrooms. So pulling from that intake and exhausting into the bathrooms and bedrooms. This is one of 2 bathrooms in the unit. This can be configured with either tub or shower, low flow faucets and toilet, LVP flooring and a laminate surround, low maintenance shower surround that only has 2 seams plus the bottom in the whole unit, reducing future damage from water infiltration. Going into the first bedroom, 2 windows in the bedroom for more daylighting, triple pane Coltech windows, we rely on furniture units and cabinetry for storage instead of traditional closets to reduce wasted space. In-unit laundry. This particular unit has a traditional stackable. In the future, all of our units, or actually all of our units now, have heat pump dryers, high efficiency washers, again to reduce electrical consumption. Going into the second bedroom, again, more of these furniture style closet units with large glazing. That's a 4.5 foot by 4.5 foot window, and then a separate egress window. Again, another air source heat pump unit in the bedroom. And then in this model, a second full bathroom. This one also with shower. The key to the design of these units is to have the living space be the center between the 2 bedrooms. This gives more privacy between the 2 bedrooms, but also eliminates a hallway, allowing this 600 square foot space to be much more functional on a daily basis. Large surfaces and lots of storage also make a small unit feel larger, in addition to lots of glazing. Thank you for watching. This has been your tour of a 600 square foot, 2-bedroom net zero modular apartment.